How to fix Redmi Note 5 Pro sound problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can fix Redmi Note 5 Pro sound problem. So guys, whether you are using Redmi Note 5 Pro or whether you are using any kind of Redmi device, and if you are facing the sound problem, then guys simply watch this video. Okay, in this video you will get to know about this solution. Okay, this problem solution, and guys you can fix the solution as well. And guys, you need some tips here, and you need to do some settings, you need to follow some instruction. Okay, so with the combination of this you can fix it. So simply you have to stay tuned with the video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. So let's begin the tutorial. So the first thing, okay, how you have to do this, okay, and what you have to do this here. So the first thing, just restart your device once. Okay, if you are getting any kind of sound problem, just restart your device. And after the restart, if the problem gets normal, okay, if the problem gets fixed, then guys it will be great. And if you still having the same problem, then guys go to setting. Okay, go to setting, and then you have to scroll down here, and after that select sound and vibration, and guys check your silent and DND mode. Okay, so if your mobile is in DND, then guys you have to select regular, and then guys it is done. Okay, so just you have to do the setting, and guys check it whether your timer is in schedule or not. Okay, schedule timer on time. So if you have enabled this, then you have to disable the slider. Okay, so you have to disable the slider, and you have to make that setting. And then guys make sure to increase your volume. Okay, make sure to increase your volume out here. And guys, uh, you have to check your sound settings. Okay, and then guys this problem will be definitely fixed. So just you have to do all these settings. Okay, so settings is very important. So after doing all this setting, just check it, your problem should be fixed. And guys, make sure that your speaker is in working condition. So if your speaker is not working, okay, then guys you can change your speaker. And guys it may be hardware problem. So if the hardware problem, then simply go to technician, they will definitely fix your problem. So for that guys, what you have to do is just you can play the music and check whether your speaker is working or not. If your speaker is working and simply your phone sound is not working here, then guys it may be some missing setting problem. Okay, so just you have to do all this setting first, and then guys check it. Okay, so if your problem got fixed by this setting, then guys it will be great. And if you are still facing the same problem, then just go here on the apps. Okay, and then you have to go to manage apps. So go to their setting, and then guys if you are facing in any of the application, okay, if any of the flash in any of the application, if you are facing the sound problem, then guys just go to their setting, and just open up, and then open up their notification. And then guys what you have to do is you have to allow the notification. Okay, as you can see, you have to allow this show app icon badge, floating notification, screen notification, and then allow sound. Okay, floating notification, you if you want, then you can use. So after allowing the sound, guys your problem will be definitely fixed. Okay, so the main setting is allow sound. So if there is no allow sound, then guys you may face the problem. Okay, so you have to allow the sound, and then guys check it, your problem will be definitely fixed. Okay, so after doing all this solution, check, your sound problem will be get fixed. And then guys if your problem, okay, is still not fixing after doing all the solution, if you are still having the same problem, then just go to about phone, update your software. Okay, so after the update it will definitely fix. So just update your device and then guys check it. If your problem is fixed by just the update, then guys it will be very great. And if you are still having the same problem after the update, after the solution, okay, then just reset your mobile. So you have to factory data reset of your device. Okay, so erase all the datas and then guys check it, your problem will be definitely fixed. So you can do all the solution. And guys, as I have said, make sure that your speaker is in working condition. If your speaker is not working, then guys you need a technician, go to technician and change your speaker, and then guys your problem will be fixed. So these are some solution to fix your sound problem in Redmi device. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.